This is the CCURE Go Reader. It is a mobile card reader that connects to CCURE over either Wi-Fi or cellular. There are several different applications for this reader. This video is going to cover how you can use this to manage attendance using a mode called Checkpoint. Let's say that I've rented out a conference room at a hotel. I want to manage attendees, so as people arrive, I want to check them in, and when they leave, I want to be able to check them out. And I want an audit of that in CCURE. I'm going to put the Go Reader display up on the screen, and I'm going to go into checkpoint mode. You can see at the top there's a green arrow, which means it's ready to start checking people in. So it's the first thing in the morning, attendees are starting to arrive. The first person to show up is going to be Trisha Patterson, so I'm going to present her credential. You can see now that the check-in count goes from nothing to 1. The next person is going to be Marco Medano, and then the third person that shows up is going to be Destiny Rodriguez. So present her credential, and you can see now I've got 3 people that have checked into my seminar. Now at this point, there's a little down arrow at the top of the display, and if I click on that, it allows me to generate a PDF report of everybody who's checked in. So if I have other managers that are co-hosting this event with, I can send them an email with a list of all the people who have checked in. So our seminar has just come to an end. People are starting to get ready to go home. I'm going to go into the Go Reader, and I'm going to click on that green arrow up at the top, and it turns red, and it lets me know we're ready to start checking people out. So the first person that shows up to be checked out is going to be Trisha Patterson again. We're going to present her credential. You can see now we've got Destiny Rodriguez and we've got Marco left. So we're going to take the next person, which is going to be Marco, and we're going to present Marco's credential. So Marco is now left. Now, there's no sign of Destiny. We don't know where she is. So what's great about this is I'm not leaving until that last person's out. And then finally, she's going to show up. We're going to take her card. We're going to present it. And our area is clear. Everybody's checked out and gone home for the day. Busing is a great application for this, not just from an attendance standpoint, but just making sure you're not leaving anybody behind. I think if you were to take a team to an away game, it would be great to be able to make sure you're returning with all the athletes and staff that you left with. Also, if you're using this for busing, the CCURE Go Reader will actually tag every card swipe with its GIS location. It's similar to the way your phone will tag the location of every photo you take. So if you go into CCURE afterwards, you're going to be able to see not just when people checked in, but you're going to be able to see where they checked in. So if you have a bus that's making multiple stops, you'll be able to see when and where they got on and off the bus. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you have any additional questions, please visit us at swhouse.com and click Contact Us in the corner. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.